We begin, though, with maggots falling from the ceiling and crawling through walls. We told you this story first on Tuesday. It's one woman's nightmare in Milwaukee.
And she actually took matters into her own hands after she says her landlord, Berrada Properties, failed to clean up the maggots immediately. Reporter Jenna Ray spoke with a legal expert about your rights when it comes to infestations in rented units.
Didn't nobody care until you interviewed me.
Last week, this is what Sherlonda Carter's apartment looked like. Maggots in her bathtub, on the sink, on the floor, and seemingly coming out of the walls.
I'm more than frustrated. I'm upset. It's disgusting.
On Friday, Miss Carter says she borrowed money from a friend to hire an exterminator to get rid of the maggots after her landlord, Berrada Properties, failed to send someone out.
Until you went up there and talked to Berrada, they didn't care. My caseworker from Section 8 didn't care on Friday, but then when you called Section 8, now she's sorry.
Berrada finally sent an exterminator Tuesday afternoon after we called, emailed, and even showed up at their office. We also learned the city's Department of Neighborhood Services came to inspect Miss Carter's unit Wednesday. But a department spokesperson told us in an email Miss Carter wasn't home to give them access to her apartment.
So no one on Wednesday told you that DNS was going to be coming here to look at your apartment?
No, nothing.
I've been representing tenants for 10 or 15 years now, and I don't get surprised very often anymore. That's a lot of maggots, and I would be very concerned about where they're coming from and why they're there.
Nick Toman is a managing attorney for the housing team at the Legal Aid Society of Milwaukee. He says the city's building code requires landlords to exterminate an infestation in a reasonable period of time.
If there are maggots falling from the ceiling, I think that they have to get somebody out there as close to immediately as possible.
Toman says Berrada is also responsible under state law to maintain a, quote, habitable property.
So no matter who caused the infestation, the landlord has to fix it to maintain a habitable property.
In a statement sent to TMJ4, Berrada Properties says they have no record of Miss Carter attempting to contact them. They also said the company is reviewing her request for reimbursement of costs paid for cleaning services.
I would like to move, and I would not like to live in any of his apartments.
After our first story aired on Tuesday, several Berrada Properties tenants reached out to us with similar complaints like Miss Carter. We're currently reviewing those complaints and plan to follow up. In the newsroom, I'm Jenna Ray.
Berrada Properties and its owner are currently being sued by the Wisconsin Department of Justice. Attorney General Josh Kaul's office filed suit in 2021. Tell TMJ4, Berrada allegedly violated a number of Wisconsin landlord-tenant laws. Through that suit, Kaul says the Justice Department wants to stop what it calls illegal activity, provide restitution for tenants, and impose civil penalties.
In the